What's up geeks and welcome back to iGeeksblog, and in today's video we will gonna discuss about one feature which was highly requested for and Apple has finally heard us. We are gonna dive deep into the highly anticipated, most requested feature called snapping and tiling of windows on macOS Sequoia Developer Beta 1. Yes, you heard that right, tiling is finally inbuilt. For years, our wrists have ached from wrestling with mission control or third-party tiling app like Rectangle or Magnets, but fear not my fellow multitaskers. Because you can simply drag a window to the edge of the screen and that's it. It snaps into a perfectly positioned tile side by side to another window. You can also resize these tiled windows. Feeling ambitious? Drag to a corner and macOS Sequoia will magically fit the window into the corner. You can fit 4 windows at a time. You don't always need to drag and drop a window to snap it to the side. You can also press the Option key and select the window and snap it to the side. That's it. Similarly, you can also hover the mouse on the green window button and now you will have multiple options available to choose from. You can snap the windows towards right, left, top and bottom. You can also select the fill of the window. If you want the whole screen, you can also do that. If you want half of the screen or you want the corners, all these options are available. Lastly, our traditional full screen options are also here. So now that we have talked about snapping and tiling your windows, there are few more settings which you need to know about, and let's talk about it. So now you need to go into the system settings of your Mac, desktop and dock, and right under Windows section you will have 3 new settings. If you want to turn off dragging windows to the screen edges so that it snaps, you can do that. Similarly, if you don't want to use the Option key to snap and tile a window, then you can also turn it off. And lastly, if you don't want the margins of the tiled windows, you can also turn it off. Now, I don't want to sugarcoat it, but it's beta folks, so there might be some bugs or hiccups you might face while you want to tile a window on your Mac. Sometimes a window could be stubborn enough so that it won't line up exactly how you want to tile it on your Mac. But hey, that's why it's a beta, right? So why don't we just use it and send all the crash and feedback reports to the Apple so that they can iron out all these bugs really quickly. But overall, I'm super impressed, and it is clear that Apple is taking some inspiration from the best tiling system out there with adding a slight of Apple polish to it. So is this the end for the third-party tiling apps? Well, only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, that macOS Sequoia is one major step ahead in terms of Mac multitasking. So do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this new tiling system in macOS Sequoia. And of course, while you are down there, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified on each and every video we post like this. And if you find this video useful, then make sure to press the like button, and of course go to App Store, download iGeeksblog app and enjoy everything Apple content and amazing wallpapers I can vouch for. On this note, this is me Samir signing off, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, tada, see ya, bye.